All right, viewers, greetings. Back home from Hot Rod Power Tour 2025. Man, did we have a great time. Oswald missed me so much, he jumped up in the truck as soon as I got home, and he won't get out because he didn't want me to leave again without him. I went with my buddy Charlie. We had the best fucking time you could imagine. The Power Tour was awesome. Lots of cars, great cars, lots of great people, lots of fun in parking lots, lots of fun doing the routes. The parking lots in the hotel were fun. Little car shows where you could really get up personal and talk to the people. I'll have a few beers and chat about our cars, and it was a really good time. Following the route, I highly recommend because you get to see all kinds of good stuff and possibly help somebody out on the way. Would I go again? You betcha. I thought it was awesome. I collected every sticker I could and put them all over the truck because I wanted to be 100% in the spirit of the event. From the time we left here and did the whole tour and drove home was 1,114 miles roughly. Truck did great. Had that one little stupid bushing I made that split, and we fixed it. I did mount my oil pressure gauge in here, and I'm gonna have to move it because when the shifter's in drive it blocks it, but yeah, that's a small thing. Yeah, what a great time. We only ran into a couple, 3 people who were broke down. We heard lots of stories. Of course, we saw the crash and the guy get burned by the antifreeze. Don't ever take your antifreeze cap off when your radiator is hot, people. Come on. Yeah, great time. They plan a lot of interesting things to do along the way. There are points of interest. There were a few places to stop and check things out. It was a great time. We took way too much stuff. We got way too many bags, goodie bags everywhere we went. We got stickers galore and all kinds of other fun things. Yeah, I just can't stress enough. I mean, it's a big traveling car show, just like it says, but it's awesome. We heard some people bitching, oh, this was better back in the day. Well, everything was before people fucked it all up. But that's just my opinion on that. But most everybody was having a great time. I felt right at home with the OBS Chevy. There was lots of them. I was worried I wasn't hot rod enough. I got lots of thumbs up, and I got to give people a lot of pipe. She won't do a burnout, but we can give them some pipe. Temperatures were fantastic. The truck ran fantastic. We didn't overheat. We didn't have any issues, any problems. We just cruised around at our leisure. We left when we wanted. We did what we wanted pretty much. And had just the best freaking time you can imagine. You don't have to sign up and pay, but you get some perks if you do. All right, I don't know that I'd ever do the more expensive packages just because we had the freaking best time, just as good a time as those guys were, but they got a free lunch or what have you. Neither here nor there. I'm happy with my multi-day. Would like to get a long haul certificate since we did the whole thing, but that's just bragging stuff to put on your window. It doesn't really mean anything. Yeah, I started putting up stickers for things I don't have on my truck. I was loading them up on the inside here. I got a bag full of stickers to put in the garage still. I added a bunch of them to my windows. Yeah, I did, and some of the stuff I don't have, but I don't care. They were sponsors of the event, and like I said, I wanted to immerse myself fully, so I did all the stickers all over my car. I can take them off if I don't like them. I'm so happy to get home and see my good boy Oswald Joe. I tell you what, I got to meet one of my buddies. Well, my buddy Todd, you heard me talk about a lot as I did this truck. Got to meet him in Michigan and hang out. I didn't even have to pop the hood except to fix that one little thing. And that was early on in Indianapolis, right by my son's house. So we weren't even like stranded or anything. It was so minimal. I didn't even video it. Let's see, everything else just absolutely wonderful. The weather was wonderful. yeah, I hope everybody that went had a super great time. If you're curious about going, highly recommend it. You can go and follow along for free, but like I said, the multi-day thing got us passes to do things. If I'd have took a helmet, I could have drag raced. There were rental helmets and I didn't even know it, or I probably would have took it down the track once, maybe. I don't know. I kept saying I wouldn't because I didn't have a helmet, but maybe if I'd have had one. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. You've listened to me yammer and looked at the Silverado here. Yeah, like I said, I fit right in. I got lots of thumbs up. We saw lots of people in the towns sitting there waiting on the rolling car show to go past, and yeah, just what a great time. What a great time. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. Definitely would do it again. All right, thanks for watching my few minutes on the car show. I didn't do a bunch of video because I was just there to have fun, but there were so many amazing cars. Anyway, if you watch part one, my first little bit on there, the whole 20 of you I think who've watched it, maybe you'll watch this one and realize what a great time it was, and get your hot rod ready and go next year. The Valiant hopefully is going to go next year, right, Ozdog? You happy to see me, ain't you, buddy? I'm happy to see you too. All right, I appreciate you guys. Have a great day.